I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today I'm really excited because I'm going to be trying out this product. This is the HUDA Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. And I kept telling myself, I got it a few months back. I said, I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna use it. I got it in one of my subscriber boxes, beauty subscription boxes, and I don't believe I used it. I think it's gonna be the first time. I know I swatched it, but then I didn't put it on. I'm like, what am I doing? Huda has come up with some incredible looking products. Let me just try this and see what it's all about. So this is their 3D highlighter palette. This I gotta check out, but the packaging is gorgeous, and I believe that is the owner and namesake of the brand. She just looks like she's dripping in gold. Great packaging, great photo. It says 3-dimensional highlighter palette, melted cream and powder, luxury blend of light reflecting pearls and buildable glow, effortless blendability. Well, we shall see, shall we? And it says here what the following are. The first one is Prep, which is this one, and this says apply Capri as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. Okay, the second says after Prep is to Set, which would be this top one over here, and this says dab Santorini from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Then the third is to Sculpt, which is this bottom one down here, and it says apply Azores, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. And finally, number 4 right here is Flush, which would be this pretty color right here. And this says sweep Ibiza on the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. So what this is trying to tell me is this is not only going to make you look contoured and cut, but it's also going to make you look fully done without having to put on a whole palette of makeup. So this I gotta see. So the first one is Prep. Apply Capri as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. So this is sort of creamy. Oh, this is creamy. So let's, woo, do I just apply it everywhere? It's a base for smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. Ooh, I need to get like a little poof and apply this, or I could just use my cheeks. I'm wondering if I could use a brush, but this is like cream. Wow. And it has a, you know, kind of like a cosmetic scent. It's not like a flowery scent or any means. But if you're gonna use your fingers, make sure your hands are clean. That's all I'm saying. But it's almost like a foundation. It feels like a foundation. So I'm just applying this all over because it feels nice and creamy. It does. And it doesn't indicate not to. The others are much more specific about where to apply it. So I'm liking that. Okay, so I've applied the first, and I just used my fingers, and they're clean. My hand is, my face is clean, my hand is clean. And it's really smooth and creamy. It almost feels like I'm putting on a foundation. You see there's a shine. Very pretty. And it does illuminate. It does seem to brighten. I would almost say that it moisturizes because it does feel creamy, but once you put it on, it does dry down. It doesn't stay wet, so that's good. That was the Prep, okay? The second is to Set. It says to dab Santorini from cheek to temple. This is Santorini, so I'm not sure. This is more of a powder. Whew, that is bright. Look at that. What? Okay, I have to dab this, huh? Some cheek to temple, which would be up here. Oh wow, look at that. I'm just dabbing it like the instructions say, dab, dab, dab. And I'm also like doing that a little bit so it doesn't look like a fingerprints on my face. The difference between here and here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so we're doing on this side again, from cheekbone to temple. Dab, 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 dab. We're seeing the slight glow on here. Wow, that is amazing, guys. Remember, your temples around here, right? That is nice. I feel like I want to put more. Am I crazy? The next step is to sculpt. It says apply Azores, which I hope I'm saying that right, Azores, under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. So this is going to be the contour. This one, sculpt. So I'm going to use my infamous brush here, and I'm just going to go in like that. It also feels very dry, almost like this one. Okay, so what do? I apply it under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. In case you don't know where your cheekbones are, you suck in. Okay, it's understated. It's understated. Last but certainly not least is to flush, which it says sweep Ibiza onto the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. And that would be the pink down here. So it says to sweep Ibiza onto the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. Apples are here and here. Yeah, so if you want, you just smile. Apple, apple. Ooh, that's a pretty blush. It's not overpowering. That's good. Try the other side. It's understated. It's pretty, but it's understated. I want to put more, but I shan't. I shan't. This is the finished look. What do you think? It looks very summery, very glowy. I look healthy. And it looks understated. I mean, it doesn't look anywhere near this. Maybe she put some on her eyelids. I should try that. But just as a base, it looks very pretty. Like, this is great for, like, I would think, like a night that you're gonna hang out with your girlfriends by the beach and just have drinks, that you're not actually going out to the sand. Another option, I think, would be for like a wedding, like a summer wedding. This would be perfect summer wedding makeup. Now, obviously, I didn't put it on as bright as she did, and I didn't go all in to put it on my, well, I could have. So I'm gonna try a little bit of this sculpt and run it down my nose a little bit. That looks really nice. Add a little more of this, because I don't think I put on enough. Oh, it's beautiful. And then I want to see if I put a little bit of this, but I need something that hasn't been, okay, this is clean. Put some of this on my eyes and see how it looks. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I so like this. I'm just gonna, again, this was like the one that you use for the blush, but you can use it for your lids. I mean, that's how it looks like in the photo. You know, maybe it's to, you know, work a little outside the box, use your imagination, play with it, see what you can come up with. But I'm really liking this. Wow. And maybe go in and put a little bit of this champagne, maybe, onto here. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. So I went into my inner corner just using my little finger here. And this is, again, the set powder, which is this one right here. And it's put in the inner eyes to just brighten it up. And what do you guys think? I am loving it. I mean, look at that glow, guys. Just look at it. Highly recommend HUDA Beauty's 3D highlighter palette. This is my first introduction, I believe, to HUDA, and I would say not bad. I'm really impressed with the highlighter. What do you think? Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.